NEET 2020 is fast approaching and your board exams will also be completed in a few days. With Shraddha System of Excellence crash course, crossing 500 out of 720 is possible for even an average student, which is enough to get a medical seat. We have two types of crash course. If you want to stay at home and study during preparation, join our course at our center in North Bangalore. If you want to cut off from all outside influences and prepare in a completely peaceful environment, join our residential crash course in our 25-acre beautiful campus in Bangalore. If you are serious about your dreams, you have to join Shraddha. Our processes guarantees advantage and benefits to all students. Shraddha gives you conceptual clarity, confidence, problem-solving ability, revision tools, exam strategies, and a lot more to increase your chances of success. This is a life-changing opportunity in the true sense because your chances of getting a medical seat increases greatly and also your approach to learning changes completely. Our training gives you the power to excel in all areas of life. Can Shraddha Crash Course make so much of a difference? Remember, life is determined by the choices we make. Now you have two choices. Meet us and understand how our crash course can change your life. You will not lose anything, you will only benefit. Or the second choice is ignore this message and delete the video. You will definitely not gain anything but will surely lose because you will never know what the opportunity was. This opportunity will change your life. Make sure you pass on this video to all your friends. By sharing, you will help the students who deserve benefit from the opportunity. We can only take a limited number of students, but will ensure every student is benefited. Reserve your seat now. All the best for your board exams. See you soon in our classes.